So back for another video, and I've basically nearly finished the build. So I've built the rear of the plane. I don't know what it's called, the rudders and the elevators and everything all here. And then the front, the actual engine housing. And then I also patched up the interior because it was all grey and black and stuff, and gunmetal silver and stuff like that. I just sort of cleaned it up a bit, put paint, here on top because some of the paint had come off. And then I've painted the pilot seat brown with the little seat belts. This is I just sort of did this all. I spent like a couple hours sort of putting this together, and it was mainly because of this engine housing. I don't know if you can see it or not. But anyway, yeah, it's not wanting to focus, but whatever. Yeah, you can see there's loads of gaps and stuff like that, and there's nothing I could have done to get rid of those gaps, which is a shame. It's because of the model kit itself. It's not terrific, which is a shame because it's one of the newer kits from Airfix. So, and I've heard a lot of good things about them and stuff like that. So you think they'd be a better fit, but unfortunately this kit's just really over-engineered, I guess is the best way to say it. So there's a lot of fitting issues and stuff like that because it's over-engineered, which is a real shame. Because the detail and stuff is really nice. Well, it's not really nice, but it's quite decent. So this putting that front engine thing, the engine housing and the engine cowling, was a really big challenge. But I've tried to make it look as nice as I can. And I think when I put paint on it and stuff like that, I think it'll look good. So yeah, that's what I've done this week.